Ion implantation is the process of injecting impurity elements into silicon wafers. By implanting specific impurities, the wafer becomes functional as a device. Graphite is used as the path for the ion beam. Different devices are created by varying the implantation conditions, such as the type and concentration of ions, as well as the implantation depth and angle. Graphite is used in ion implantation due to its high purity, high hardness, and high thermal conductivity. If metallic impurities contaminate the wafer, it directly leads to quality defects. Therefore, high-purity graphite is used in the ion beam path. High-hardness graphite materials are required to prevent chipping when ion beams are irradiated onto graphite parts. High hardness is effective against physical wear. Ion beam irradiation can cause localized high temperatures in graphite parts. These localized high temperatures may cause graphite to sublimate, raising concerns about adverse effects on the wafer. Therefore, highly thermally conductive graphite materials capable of rapidly dissipating heat are required. Toyo Tanso's ion implantation products can be customized with material selection and design modifications to meet your requirements. We contribute to solving our customers' technical challenges, improving production efficiency, and enhancing quality. We have sales offices Japan and abroad, so please feel free to contact us. Please check our contact information in the overview section. We look forward to hearing from you.